Good morning, Growmies. The last and final mail call of the day. Happy New Year. I wish all of you a very happy New Year. Hopefully YouTube will back up off of us. I'm getting tired of getting restricted for nothing. We got a mail call from Matt the Bean King over in UK. I know I'm going to have to look out for you QR codes in this. But yeah, we got a nice little movie here. From Matt, thank you very much. And by the feel of it, this thing's going to explode when I open it. Stop showing them QR codes, Matt. My God, y'all going to have to go sub Matt up. Because YouTube took his channel. He had to make a whole new channel. We're showing QR codes. Scottish grower now. And I warned you twice not to be showing them daggone QR codes. Let's see what we got here from Matt. Yeah, Matt, let me know in the comments section. I'm going to send you something. You want to try some photo periods? Or you want some of my crazy black girls? Just let me know. I'll send you some photo period cheese. Heck yeah. What do we got here? First thing I gotta do is look out for QR codes. Yes, and dirty. I got 2 Gorilla Glue Auto Flowers. Heck yeah. You know I'm going to pop that Gorilla Glue. I got to pop that. Now I'll do a seed increase on that. I just don't care. I love me some Gorilla Glue. Hell yeah. Thank you very much, Matt. Let's see what else we got going on in here. Ooh, doggy. We got some shit going on here. Little Cushy Auto. Hell yeah. Thank you, Matt. You're awesome, brother. And we're still going. Good God Almighty. Got 4 packs. Big Yield Auto. Holy moly. UK's pouring it on me. Thank you again, Matt. They're still flowing out of here. Now that one sounds interesting. Black Rainbow Sherbet. And I'm quite sure this is a feminized auto. If not, let me know, Matt. And last but not least, hell yeah, Gorilla Skittles. I have a hard time pronouncing them ones with the Z in front of them. Hell yeah. 420 Fast Buds. Nothing else for sale or trade, YouTube. Take a hike. I love you, Matt. Happy New Year's, brother. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.